There's more.
A closer one. There's one still there. It didn't fly off.
Yeah, it was road runner.
No, there's one still there.
They're still there.
No. No, there's no bird.
Ah, there was one.
There's a bird right in the middle. I just can't tell what it is. Birds are here.
Yeah, they came out.
I helped them put this stand out. There's something right there about the feeder. Left side.
Yeah, sure is.
Lark.
Is that a lark?
Yeah. We'll go by the feeder anyway. The RPM ain't near fast enough for a quail.
Something else just came out. It's a road runner. Road runners all over the place.
You were telling me the other day you had a couple of bucks back in here that went up and smacked the feeder deal with their net. They were tearing it up. He had a cage around something.
Your safety working okay? Got one.
One's marked down right behind that green bush. Right under that green
Yeah, I
bush.
see him. Shoot him!
Go ahead. Right in the way.
Right there on the ground in front of you, Logan. Where's that one down here at?
Shoot him! I'm to your right. Where'd he go? I heard one get up. There, towards the road. Where you at, Logan? Walk towards me. Okay.